Hey guys, Roanna here. I'm showing you the finished and work in progress photos of this beautiful painting by our latest artist to the DIYmoon Shop Artist Collective, FINIRA, and it's a painting called Wolves Are My Best Friend. So I'm just showing you the process, or a portion of the process, of turning this beautiful image into this diamond art or diamond painting. So basically it uses the same concept of cross stitch, but instead of thread you put together or piece together miniature beads that form this beautiful image. Because the beads are faceted individually, it basically reflects light, hence the sparkly diamond-like effect, which makes it a very otherworldly feel when people see it, especially if they've never heard or seen anything like it before. So you can get these at our shop, DIYmoonshop.com. You'll get the full kit to complete the image, all the beads that are necessary to create this image, the tools, as well as the coated canvas, which already has the glue on it, so you don't have to worry about any messy glue that you'll have to work with. So it's very easy and simple to do. Even kids as young as 6 years old can diamond paint and can create this beautiful mosaic art. So as you can see here, I'm completing the face part, and each tiny bead really is a section of about 3 millimeters of the image. And so the more beads there are per image, the less pixelation. As you can see, this is a larger painting. It's 75 by 50 cm, and it's a beautiful image. There you go, that's the close-up of the beads. Here it is before we have completed the face and the wolf's face. And then I'll be showing you what it looks like once we've completed the face of the girl and the wolf. So we can see here that other parts are sparkly and other parts are not and still covered in plastic. So those ones are the raw areas or sections. And here is what it looks like afterwards with all of the beads on the canvas, and it creates this beautiful image that is now ready to be hung on the wall.